that helped at all. I think I'm as wet as anybody here. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. That's a personal thing. I don't even know if I can get off my leg. Maybe. You sure you don't want to hike down instead? Good man. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Yeah. Oh, it's not. No bueno. No work, old flesh, no break. What the fuck? Oh, okay. We have to go through a valley.
Oh, holy shit. I didn't even see all that down there.
Yeah. Do it for the grounds. Throttle. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hard enduro. You have a couple of phone friends left, so let us know. Watch out, tree. Yep, you don't want to go further. You just reached grip. If you had just kept going, you would have been fine. There you go, you're fine.
Yeah, this is it. This is what we got. This is what we got. Tyler's experimenting with new religion and way of seeing life. I'm experimenting with bending radiator bits out of the way. Looks like this radiator will need reinforcement. We just bent and broke this tab out of the way.
That's a thing that happens.
And,
Like,
yeah, just stress. Was it welded there? Was it a welded
There's
tab?
a piece of aluminum
Or was
that
it
was welded bracket, and it just broke straight through the aluminum.
Yeah. Well, it's not a bad place to be doing radiator repairs, though.
Shit!
Slow down.
Oh shit. Upright, no points lost. Oh. My fucking nuts though. Ow. Oh, just like this. Okay. No, you should watch the fucking clarity. Yo, it's fucking balls off right here, dude. damn it. Oh man. Brothers! Brother! This is a lot. Threats have been issued. Yeah, it is. See if I can work the clutch in these slightly undersized gloves. Throwing shit at me. Shit. Oh, my neck. Ow. Yo, this is amazing.
Hey, are there any hot springs anywhere?
Yeah, it got me in the neck multiple times. Okay. Alright, we should go when we're done with this. Ow! Motherfucker. It's June. How is this a thing? Ow! Fuck.
Friday? Alright.
Let's go, team.